about nonviolent communication through my mother, who was, when she was still alive. She was part of the cultural integration. She shared to me about nonviolent communication. She learned it from Ma'am Amina, Ma'am Buay, through her workshops at the local government unit, through that cultural integration group by the former mayor of Opol in 2008 or 2009. During the pandemic, when I actually joined the Zoom meeting of Ma'am Amina, that was when the time I learned more deeper about NVC. It's about it's like communicating with others without hurting their feelings. Something, speaking softly. Oo. With sa uban, no. Sa community, oo, kay diri man ko nag-work. So, mo gito akong gusto nga ma-share siya sa mga tao. Yeah, somehow. I shared or introduced it with the Lupon Tagapamayapa members. So somehow, nakatabang siya, it helped in for them to gain knowledge also and apply it through when mag-mediate sila and conciliate complaints filed at nakatarungang pambarangay or Lupon Tagapamayapa of Igpit. Gina-practice nila. During our meetings, gina-share nila nga they applied NVC sa kanang both parties ilang gina-conciliate. Sa akong kaugalingon, nakatabang siya to make me aware na how to express myself. I-express din ako akong self. And in the community, dili pa kay ko makaingon nga na, kung sa area, sa barangay wide, sa community, kay leaders pa man, napaman siya sa Lupon Tagapamayapa na share. So, dili pa ko makaingon og impact gyud sa community. Although, with our leaders, nagid siya, nakatabang gid siya, it helped gyud sa ilaha. Gusto gid ko mo adto sa grassroots. Ang naka-hinder lang gid is my time. Although siguro sa akong mga free time, siguro weekends, maka-organize og mga tao. And siguro sa amo apod like ako sa mga secretaries, siguro ma-share pod na ako sa ilaha ang NVC. Yung time lang yun siguro and action needed yun.